Ukraine's defense forces are using wooden Himars mock-ups to decoy Russian troops into firing long-range cruise missiles to destroy them. After a few weeks of being placed in the field, the decoys attracted at least 10 caliber cruise missiles. The initial success led Ukraine to expand the production of replicas for broader use. This is one of many asymmetrical tactics Ukraine has adopted to fight back against the enemy. The publication also emphasizes that the destruction of the Himars replicas can explain the unusually large number of systems claimed to be destroyed by the Russians. They regularly report on this in the summaries of their general staff. It is emphasized that last month, Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu ordered his generals to prioritize the destruction of the long-range artillery systems after they targeted key Russian supply lines. Earlier this month, a Pentagon spokesman absolutely denied Russia's claims, declaring that all the US-provided Himars are accounted for. In addition, Ukrainian forces are also using M270 MLRS, which have similar functionality to Himars rocket systems. Using decoys that look like real weapons is not a new tactic. It is also used by the Russians themselves, for example, inflatable models of the S-300 missile systems. For Ukraine, the battlefield advantages of decoys are twofold, military analysts say. In a protracted artillery war, finding ways to degrade and deplete Russia's larger arsenal of shells and missiles is critical for Ukraine's smaller army. US defense officials claim that Russia's stockpile of precision-guided missiles has been running low, and US export controls on microchips are making it a lot harder for Russia to replenish those munitions. A caliber missile launched at a fake Himars target in a field is a missile that cannot be used against a Ukrainian city, said Rob Lee, a military analyst at the Foreign Policy Research Institute. Another advantage of decoys is that they could force Russians to take precautions and move their ammunition depots and command and control clusters farther from the front lines. Such a reorganization would degrade the Russians' ability to mass artillery fires, a tactic they've relied on to make gains in eastern Ukraine, said George Barros, a military researcher at the Institute for the Study of War, a Washington think tank. According to the information from the official sources, Ukraine has up to 25 GMLRS missile systems in its service. This includes 6 M270 MLRS, 3 Mars-2, and 16 HIMARS rocket systems.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.